I'm thinking, well, I can get to the bus stop. Doesn't mean anything because I can't see up there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I say, there was one issue I had that waiting, but I go to Llandudno nearly every week to meet up with friends just to get out to Bangor, and I catch the bus from Llandudno, number 5 or 5D, and it stops at 1:00 and then carries on to Carnarvon, so I get off at the top of Coed Mawr. Well, this particular day, it was school run. All the children were coming out of the local schools, and there must have been about 15 or 18 children standing on the bus. And I rang the bell to get off at the top of Coed Mawr, and he passed my bus stop. And he passed the next bus stop. And I had to fight my way through these children. And I said to him, I rang the bell twice. I didn't hear it.
Well, you get that a lot.
And I thought, well, he shouldn't have been riding the bus, or he shouldn't have picked up so many children. And I had to walk. And my mobility's not as good as it was, you know. So now I get off at 1:00 and I get a taxi home, which is £7 a time. You know, and that really took my confidence.
Yes.